Yo, what's up? It's Ben with Digital Dreams, and today is day one at the Node Foundation. We have a ton of stuff going on here. We have a 30-foot LED wall going here. We have an LED ceiling going over here, 2 LED sidewalls, 9 different rental staging LED cubes that we're going to install, 3 projectors that are going to do a 40, 50-foot stitched one image, tons of square screens. It's a huge, huge project, plus all the surveillance, access control, and networking, all here on this floor, plus some in the basement. And today we're pulling as many cables as we can before they close up the sheetrock grid. We're gonna run some wires down into this crack here for the LED wall. We have single mode fiber coming. We have a 24 strand going here, 24 strand going there. There's a ton of cabling we have going on here. This will be like a 2-month-long project, so check it out.
We're waiting on 2 box trucks to pull up to drop off 30 pallets of LED equipment. I believe it's LEDs, but they're gonna back one truck up to another truck that has a lift gate, and they're gonna transfer it from one truck to the other truck so that they can unload it from this one into the box truck. But yeah, welcome to Digital Dreams, man. This is where dreams come true right here. Traffic control. she all pissed.
We're just accepting all the pallets for the first part of the wall here. We're storing everything in the basement. Everything came overseas early, so we're accepting it now so it didn't sit in a loading dock. And luckily we have enough space in the basement to house it all right now, so that's what we're doing. We're rewiring because you see these beams up here? See all the new beams connected to the old beams there? They had to support the ceiling. So we had to pull it all the way out, take our wires and J-hooks off so they could add more support to the ceiling so they could support the node. The weight of this floor, there's another suite below us. And that new node with the LED is gonna be so heavy, the floor can't support it. And so it's actually gonna be hung from the ceiling. And so that's what they did. So we had to pull all the wires out. We're gonna pull it all back and then start hopping on the new wires. So Art's putting up this WAP. There's another WAP back there. All the access control, all the cameras, the fiber back to Becky's office, fiber to the LED wall for future proofing the wall in case they upgrade to a 0.9 later.
So right now we are figuring out the positioning for the projector.
They're gonna do whatever the hell you want it to do, G. As far as you want it to go, man.
Today we are testing the projector with our demo projector. Our mount is a little bit taller than planned, so we're gonna bury the mount up in the ceiling and then we'll sheetrock around our mount once we have it secured. But we're just cleaned up for today and we'll be back again for the rest of the week, for the rest of the month really. All right, we're out.